Hello friends, hope you are doing well. I am GULL and you are watching my channel Fashion Factory by GULL. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button. Today video is about the lace blouses. Lace dresses are worn for every occasion from casual day to the most formal and fancy of dress wedding. Lace dresses can never really steer you wrong, and it looks very fashionable and its trend never get old.
And we will see the plain blouses with beautiful designing on them. So if you are looking for elegant new style blouses on top, so this is going to be very useful collection for you. You will find many beautiful design, you will find many beautiful ideas of which type of dressing you should do while going outside. So there are the variety of design in this video. Watch my video till the end, and I hope that you are gonna love this collection and you are gonna find this collection very helpful for you. And all of the design are my favorite, and I hope that this collection is gonna be your favorite too. If you want to be updated by latest fashion trend, latest designing ideas, so my channel is all about the latest trends. So you will find many other videos of new designs and new ideas of dresses on my channel. Please do support me by sharing my video. If you like my video, please share with your friends and relatives and like my video and give me your feedback. Thanks for appreciation and your positive feedback. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collection. And goodbye.